So there is this one automation that we did for one of our clients, and I think it's really nice, it's worth to show. The client is using Chatbot for concentrate all the communication of the company. Telegram, WhatsApp, email, everything is in an omni-channel. He wants to do some automations to make the work faster, to sell more. So the first thing that we did is add ChatGPT to the conversation. I'm going to give an example in my dev environment that has the same setup of the client. We can start sending any information, like by default is going to send start. You can see right in the right side that the bot start work already. And soon we should have a response. Okay, he's just say that there's an assistant and what's up, basically. I can send some information like, hi, I need to know more about your services, or anything, it doesn't matter. So you can see again that the bot is going to start work on the right side. And because I set to my dev environment, it's getting information from my own company. So I create a document with all the information that I believe the clients would be asking, and voila. So according to the Veri Data chronology, we offer service including business system, all the integrations. Basically, it's my company, is Veri Data, is what we do. I can ask even more, like things like, can you pass me the prices? Or anything, doesn't matter. And again, both start to work and you can see all the progress, what is happening. And soon the client is going to have the response. The nice thing about it is that the application is going to work even when sellers are not available. If you have a business, you know that you can really lose clients if you take too long to respond. And most of the questions are always the same, like, where are you, what time you are open, what products you sell, and something like that. So in this case, was not able to find the prices or anything, and say that someone from the team is gonna contact. I decide to do this behave because prices for integration, they are not like set in stone. They're a little bit different, and that's why we have to talk to the clients in this scenario. So I'm just going to refresh the page. This is what the client is supposed to be seeing, and you can see all the information here and all the conversation. Because the bot assigned to the client, if I send more messages, the bot assigned to the agent, if I send more messages, it's not going to respond anymore. I'm going to try again, like, but what about the prices? So you can see that it's going to work, but we are not going to have any response because the bot already said that it's going to pass to an agent. So I'm pretty sure that you already saw a lot of chat with artificial intelligence over there. So this is just one part of the solution. The nice part is start now. I can go to the contact information. This is a test contact. The number is not correct. Everything. I already have an email or anything. But every time that I change the contact, so for example, this email is not admin anymore. It's going to be contact or hello. By the way, hello is our contact. Every time that I press submit, you see that it's already working in the background. And I'm going to go to the CRM. I'm using Aspo CRM, but it works with any CRM that you want. I'm just going to refresh the page. And voila. The contact was created in the lead. So this is really nice, really useful because we can keep in sync the contacts, your omni-channel and your CRM. And the other thing that is really nice and really important as well, that when I press the button resolve, that means that the conversation is over. I'm not going to be talking to the client anymore. And I just want to press resolve and you see that it's already started and it's calling the Gemini. So it's calling the AI. We're just gonna wait a little bit. Okay, here I go. I think it's over. And if we return to CRM right now, I just gonna refresh my page. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that a summary of the conversation was created. So it said that the user contact Veri Data to inquire about availability services and repeatedly request pricing information. The system explained the price require custom assessment before the conversation was resolved. There's the start time and time. It evaluated the sentiment of the conversation. In this case, it was neutral. The budget was not mentioned, and urgency as well. The AI decided if it's urgent or not. In this case, medium. Opportunity, suggestion, because we don't know, I didn't put any name of the company, just say unknown company. And next steps, follow up with the requirements. So all this, the lead created, the summary of the conversation, everything was created automatically. And by the way, you saw that I pressed the resolve button, but after 1 hour that there is no conversation, or in other words, there's no message sent or message received, automatically it is gonna change the status to resolve and it's gonna create a summary and it's gonna populate the CRM. After that, I just gonna make this screen bigger because we don't need. After that, we can proceed like converting the lead into a contact or opportunity and so on. I don't think this is really the account because there's no company, but I can convert in a opportunity, in a contact. Let's say we don't have an amount, but my CRM needed. I'm gonna put $1,000 and I need a opportunity name, of course. So opportunity or integration and close date. I'm gonna put next week. And voila. So right now, if I go to my opportunities, you see that I have my opportunity here. And if I go to my contacts, you see that they are connected to each other.